breadcrumbs. Yes, I said it. Don't you dare, do not hit the end button just yet. Just stay with me. Yes, plain breadcrumbs. So let's get started. First, let's make sure that our skillet is on low heat. We have here, very simple, steamable corn. The corn has already been steamed for 4.5 minutes in the microwave. So we're just going to cut the bag right open. And what we're going to do to make sure that we have drained all the water that may still be remaining there in the bag, because we don't want to mix the water with the hot oil. We're going to turn this up just a little bit here. We don't want to make, we just want to make sure that all of the water is drained. And, if you like, you can always just take a cloth or napkin, paper towel, what have you, to just pat the corn there. Okay. And I really don't see much that has drained. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and add, this here is 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And we're going to turn the heat up a little bit here. And we have it like on 2, and that's really low there. And we want to give it a minute to heat up. And now what we want to do is go ahead and add our corn, just gradually, slowly. Just add your corn there. And I promise you, this corn is one that my family enjoy, and oftentimes it is a request that is made, and they probably could have fried corn every day. But we know that wouldn't be good with all the oil. Okay, so we're just going to stir that around, and we're going to turn up the heat to maybe like between 3 and 4. Okay, and our oil is starting to heat up. And we're just gonna keep, stirring around. And make sure that you use a non-stick skillet. And therefore, when you add the breadcrumbs, you shouldn't experience any of the breadcrumbs sticking to the skillet. I love the smell of sweet corn here. You can hear the oil starting here to heat up there. You hear the sizzle going on here. That is what we want to hear before we add the breadcrumbs. And that tells us that the oil is hot enough to add the breadcrumbs. Okay, this is a really quick menu item for any celebration. And so if someone asks you, what are you bringing to your next celebration, and you want something quick and something that you can be recognized for, I would suggest fried corn. All right, so now we're just going to add just like a pinch or 2 of salt and pepper. And not too much with the salt and pepper there. And you're just gonna stir around. Oh, it smells so good. And again, remember that the corn has already cooked, right? because we steamed it in the microwave for 4.5 minutes. Okay, so I think now we can add the breadcrumbs here, and we're just going to just go around and just a little bit of that. And once you give it another stir, you can, decide if you want to add more breadcrumbs to the corn. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Oh, you don't want to lose any kernels. We want every kernel. And again, you can just decide if you want to add more breadcrumbs to the corn. And so for me, I will add a little bit more breadcrumbs. Okay, and I think that should do it there. Okay. And again, give it another little stir there. It smells so good. Let's see if you can see. You can see the breadcrumbs there. Okay. Okay. And so again, this is something that is very quick and easy. And again, you didn't have to fire up the outdoor grill. I tell you, it smells good. And if you just want to add a little parsley flakes, you may. Just add a little parsley flakes to it. And there you have it. Fried corn. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, sharing is caring. Do not forget to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching Hidden Ingredients by